What's up, everybody? This is Dre Trades, and we want to trade this stock right here because when I was going through my sectors yesterday, if you see my video just yesterday, I saw this transportation index and I was like, oh my God, this thing is breaking out. So I want to show you how I would trade this particular stock. So let's go ahead and get a close up there. Let's take a look at this thing. Transportation index, we're looking at the weekly. These things is breaking out. Now, before I decided to do this video, I was gonna say, all right, you know, it was down. It was down today. You know, it opened down. Gosh, it was like, what is it? They opened 199. Right now it's trading 203. So I'm getting ready to set to do the video, and here it is, 203.89. That is because of CSX had some terrible earnings last night. I wouldn't say it's that terrible, but it just wasn't up to par. So this thing, let's pull up the daily, let's pull up the 5 minutes, and you can see what happened here. So this thing opened way down here. Where's the open? 75.5. Now it's 76.5. It actually turned green when it was up here. And I was like, oh my God, I have to get in. I got to talk about this video, and I have to get in. Now, I think I did put a trade on CSX, but I also put a trade on the transportation index. I want to do the ETF because single stock risks. You know, tomorrow or Monday they might say, you know what, CSX sucks. So those earnings really suck. But this is the real breakout. So let's look at the transportation, and I'll show you what CSX looks like by itself. You know, it's the same thing. Let's look at Norfolk Southern. Look at that. Oh my God, that's the driver. That's like 10% of the transportation index, and so is Union Pacific. Wow, new high. You can't beat that. JB Hunt also came out. Terrible earnings, but let's go ahead and pull up the daily on that, and you can see how this thing just bounced right off the bottom. And even though it's still down 2%, this thing was down something like 5%. 4 to 5%. It was crazy. So you could see the energy in the transportation index. So let's go ahead and just talk about how and I gotta say I because that's me, would trade the transportation index. Well, today's Friday. This is the weekly. So this bar right here is going to expire. Okay, it's going to expire today. Well, I won't say, you know, basically there'll be a new bar come Monday. So the high of this bar is 203.89. And me personally, that's what I would do. I would actually place a buy, you know, above 203. I want to see it beat that bar, okay? And once it does, hopefully off to the races. You can stop out below the bar. So let's see if it can beat this bar, and let's get in, right? And let's stop out below the bar. That means if the price was to move below that weekly bar, that means this bar, it kind of just negates this bar, and the stock most likely will move lower, even though it will be coming into lots of support over here. So I'm in, and I'm going to be in, but I'm in now. And I'm going to show you why I got in now, because of this. Now, we're looking at the daily. You see what happened? I mean, this energy to open up way down here, right? And then it actually made a new high today. I just think that that's like, oh my God, I have to get in, and I feel like I have to get in now. So I might be premature, but I was just like, I gotta get in. Let's look at the you can see the all right, so let's look at the intraday chart. You can see this thing opened here, and then it just shot down, and then immediately bounced up, and then went up to be a new high. So when you look at the daily compared to this candle right here, it's really insane. Let's look at the weekly, and you can even see the volume. So we have volume here. We got the MACD starting to reverse, right? It's never did the crossover. It's getting ready to reverse. Yes, the stochastic is showing kind of oversold, and so the RSI is not over, I should say overbought, and the RSI is not quite overbought yet. So I want to get in. I want to play it up to the 209. This thing is going to test the high, just like I feel the market. Goodness gracious, just all time. I'm going to pull up the Dow. Oh, goodness. The stock market is just going straight up. That's what has me so scared. I really think, you see, we had a high this week. I really think we are destined for 30,000 Dow. Dow 30,000. Dow 30K. That's what everybody wants to see. So that's what everybody's going to get. Dow 30K. So anyway, I'm in with the IYT. Let's go ahead and look at some of my positions. Yeah, I'm up 141 for the day. I'm in with, I thought I had CSX on here. But you see, I'm already down. And this is why you got to kind of chill out. But I just bought straight calls. I bought 2 calls of the Feb 205. And I didn't really want to. They are not very liquid. You can come over here and see, what is it? They 15-cent spread. No, right here. Yeah, 15-cent spread. So I put in a buy order. It kind of hung around for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, and then I got filled. So it's going down. And anyway, let's just see what happens. Let's just see, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. All I know is that it's breaking out, right? Breakout. So I'm in with the calls. And I think of my other account, I'm in the CSX. Now, I can't bring that account up, but I can tell you what I did. I bought the 75, 77 and a half call spread, like I think 35, 50, 60 days out, something like that. I can't remember. But anyway, I like the transportation. I think it's the best sector right now, even though the earnings are just coming out. I don't know. I can't call. I just don't know what's going on. But, it is what it is. There's the price action. Transportation is breaking out. So I would like to get in over today's weekly high. And that will finish drawing tonight at the close of business. All right, so thanks for watching. This is Dre Trades. Hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Peace.